Now, let us get into the electrical supply. In the life of most human beings nowadays, it is hard to imagine our world without electricity powering all of the electrical appliances which we'll be using in our daily life. Electricity is very important in the modern days that without electricity, there will be a lot of industry in our world that will be not functioning. Not only that, there will be a lot of people which will be having a hard time working from home, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Needless to say, without electricity in any part of the world, human life is going to be very hard and miserable. As for the type of electrical supply which we have proposed for our case study, we have proposed a new 11 kilowatt indoor substation. A substation is an electrical system with high voltage capacity and it can be used to control the apparatus, generators, electric circuit, and also to distribute energy. The reason on why we chose to propose the 11 kilowatt substation is because of the amount of power that will be needed to power up the whole airport. The substation for this airport will be constructed next to the main building so it cannot be accessed by regular people, which means that only the authorities can enter the substation. The proposed substation will be using a step-down transformer because of the 11 kilovolt voltage. The transformer for the proposed substation will change the voltage from 11 kilovolt to 415 volt, and only then the voltage will be suitable to be used by the consumer. The different part of equipment in a substation. In a substation, there is a lot of electrical components which will be required in order for a substation to be operated. Some of the components that can be found in a substation is a transformer, a switchgear, a high voltage fuse unit, an outgoing unit, a feeder pillar, and many more. The installation process for a substation. The first step of the installation process is to establish the work zone. The second step is to prepare the substation site. The third step is to excavate and lay the foundation. The fourth step is to install the grounding grid. The fifth step is to build the command building. The sixth step is to backfill the foundation and substation yard. The seventh step is to assemble the structure. The eighth step is to install the electrical equipment. And lastly is the landscaping work and carry out the final inspection. Benefits. The benefits of a substation are the reliability and quality of it. It is more economic and it is more reliable when it comes to electrical protection. As for the problem of a substation, the heat, the low technical level of maintenance personnel, the failure of maintenance tasks are some of the problems of a substation.